The Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitzbailey, provided an update as it relates to the ongoing investigation into the massacre that took place in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. As the nation tried to come to terms with what transpired in Clarendon a few days ago, DSP Fitzbailey have made an announcement in regards to the case. The 23-year-old man, Rushane, who was taken into custody by the police, has since been charged. The announcement was made by the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitzbailey, who is in charge of crime.
The JCF can confirm at this time that the main suspect in the gruesome murder of a mother and her 4 children has been charged. Rushane Barnett has been charged with 5 counts of murder arising from the killing of Kimesha Wright, Kimanda Shara-Lee, Kefana and Kishawn Henry, all of Cocoa Piece in Clarendon. Barnett was charged after intensive investigation was carried out by the Area 3 Major Investigation Division, supported by the Major Investigation Division headquarters in Kingston, as well as the Clarendon CIB and Trelawny Police and other formations within the JCA. Commendation must be given to the officers for the excellent work that they have done. However, while the quality of this investigation has been exemplary, nothing we do will bring back these precious lives that were brutally taken away. Once again, I am urging people to manage their conflicts in a better way. Seek the intervention of the police and other community actors before things escalate to violence.
Initially, the police had listed Rushane Barnett as a person of interest who they believe could help them with their investigation. Barnett was nabbed in Wilson Run, Trelawny at a family home, and the family has since been taken into custody by the police. It's unclear whether charges would be laid against that family member. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.